Hello, today I'm in Jaguar F-Pace. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, make sure that the car is on, then set to drive gear, and now press this button right here. As you can see, cruise control is enabled. Now, to increase the speed, press the Set Plus button. Unfortunately, on each gear we've got limits, so on the first gear I'm right now, I've got the limit to 35 kilometers. To decrease the speed, press the minus button. To cancel, press Can. And to reset, press Reset. And if you do it, nothing will happen because this button works only with speed limiter, sorry. So if you cancel, you pause the speed limiter as the cruise control for a while, and if you want to start it back, press Set button. To disable cruise control, press this button again. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.